Nung una kong nakita yung lyrics, unang basa ko pa lang, naramdaman akong kakaiba eh. Hindi siya out of the ordinary na lyrics ng kanta. Galing sa puso eh. Basta tinitignan ko lang yung letra. Ilalaro-laro ko lang. Magandang tono rito. Kausap ko si Mrs. Pauline. Magkakanta ako ng konti. Maganda yan. Hindi, ibalik mo sa ganyan. Tapos, nung masimulan, sa loob ng siguro mga 30 minutes, natapos ko na. Main, ang dami mong talento. Ako'y saludo sa'yo. Tulad nung nabanggit ko kanina, isang basa ko pala doon sa mga lyric na ginawa mo. I know na you have that something to be a very good songwriter. And just keep it up. At ang importante sa pagsusulat ng kahit ano, letra man o musika, ang importante rito ay yung nanggagaling sa puso, yung totoo.
Hindi ko lang siya nagda-dub, nakikita ko lang siya nagda-dub smash, pero alam ko pumapalo siya ng message ko, magaling ang timing ito. And tama, magaling ang timing niya. Ginagawa ko na siya ng instruments and tapos siling ako ng vocal guide. Nagka-goosebumps effect ako, sabi ko, parang nakakakurot ng damdamin, nakaka-uplift siya, tsaka parang good vibes yung song. Pagkatapos kong narinig yung kanta for the first time, sabi ko, this is going to be a hit. It's like a classic song for a singer to sing her own lyrics. It's such a big plus na yan. Yung sabihin, kung ano yung nasa puso niya nung sinusulat niya yung kanta at siya pa kumanta, mas totoo yung nararamdaman niya pag kinakanta niya. Kasi sa kanya nang galing yun eh. Very rare yan. Very rare opportunity niya na galing sa puso mo at nai-relay mo, kakanta mo, ipapahatid mo sa listener.
Bakit ka natatawa?
Nahiya po kasi ako first time kong...
Huwag ka mahiya. Ano pa iba mong talent?
Lukutin po, yun na po. Kung ano-ano po, pag magpapangit lang talaga.
Kumakanta ka?
Hindi po.
All my life I was dreaming. All my life I was searching. All my life I was seeking for someone I can truly call my own. Without a warning, it was you that I saw. Without a warning, it was you who came. You came right when I didn't know what to say. It would be nice to have you in my life. Would there be a chance to give it a try? It would be
to make you feel okay. I would gladly give it all away. It would be nice to have you in my life. Would there be a chance for you to give it a try? It would be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me together eternally.
And I hope you see that I would love to love you. Imagine you and me. I've waited my whole life just to meet you. And now that you're here, I don't think I could lose you. This will be the best day of our lives. Imagine you and me together Imagine you and me together eternally.